Femoral nerve is the chief nerve of the anterior compartment of thigh. It is the largest branch of the lumbar plexus and is formed by the dorsal divisions of anterior primary rami of spinal nerves L2, L3 and L4. Femoral nerve enters the femoral triangle by passing behind the inguinal ligament lateral to the femoral artery. In the thigh, it lies in the groove between the iliacus and the psoas major outside the femoral sheath, and it is lateral to the femoral artery. The nerve is not included in the femoral sheath as its formation is behind the fascia iliaca, which is forming the posterior wall of the sheath. After a short course of about 2.5 cm below the inguinal ligament, the nerve divides into anterior and posterior divisions, which are separated by the lateral circumflex femoral artery. Now let's look at the branches and distribution of the femoral nerve. It gives various muscular, cutaneous, articular and vascular branches. The muscular branches include the branch to iliacus and pectineus, which is given in the abdomen. The anterior division supplies the sartorius and posterior division supplies the rectus femoris and 3 vasti, as well as articularis genu. Articularis genu is supplied by a branch from nerve to vastus intermedius. Now the cutaneous branches. The anterior division gives 2 cutaneous branches, namely the intermediate and medial cutaneous nerves of the thigh, and posterior division gives only 1 cutaneous branch, which is the largest cutaneous nerve of the body. Now let's look at the articular branches. The hip joint is supplied by the nerve to the rectus femoris and knee joint is supplied by the nerves to 3 vasti. All of these are the branches from the posterior division of femoral nerve. One special thing about the nerve to vastus medialis is that it contains numerous proprioceptive fibers from the knee joint that account for its thickness, and this is in accordance with Hilton's law, which states that the nerve supply to a muscle which lies across a joint not only supplies the muscle but also supplies the joint beneath and the skin overlying the muscle. The vascular branch is given off to the femoral artery and its branches.